Hello and greetings. My name is Shua, and I'm the host and founder of a podcast called Light Up with Shua. It's a weekly podcast on conscious living and parenting. You can find me on any social media platform, and I have pages on Facebook and YouTube channel, and also I have a website lightupwithshua.com. I'm also the founder and owner of an academy called LUWS Academy LLC. It is registered in the US, and through that, I bring my podcast and all the other training programs and education that you will find will be offered from this platform. I have decided to share some testimonials with you. I am going to read them out, those who have sent me through this, the text messages or written me some emails. So I'm going to read them out so I can share with you what my therapy, self-healing and transformational therapy is doing to them, and also the Reiki therapy that they got. Some got only exclusively Reiki therapy, and some got the whole workshop training sessions. So this is another client who is also my friend, and she was visiting after some different things were happening in her life. Her mother was not well, and she was sick, so she was taking care of her, and she was very tired and achy, and I brought her over and we were having tea, and she said she was unable to sit very easily, and I offered her a different chair, a firm chair to sit properly, and I was trying to soothe her in different ways. And then I said, okay, let me do some Reiki on your back. So that's the story of her back pain, which I am going to share what she had to say about it.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Naheed Iqbal. I'm Montessori trained directress, and my area of specialization is age 3 to 6 years. Here I'm going to share one of my experience in Reiki therapy with Shua. For 1 month, I had been suffering from terrible lower back pain, and that pain was so terrible that it was affecting my quality of life. It's very hard for me to move around. I knew Shua is good at Reiki therapy, so I mentioned it to her. She gave me therapy, and in one session I got rid of that terrible pain. I got relief. Guys, I also want you to give it a try. I highly recommend you to give it a try. This therapy is good for all kind of physical and emotional disorder, and you can heal from all these issues. Please again give it a try and see the miracle of Reiki therapy. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Naheed, for giving me this chance and opportunity to do some Reiki therapy on you. And I'm so happy that since almost 2 months, you haven't had any back pain. So what I want to share is that I am a channel. I have educated myself in different therapies, and I work with them on myself, and then I would love to share them and help others who are interested in receiving those tools and tips and therapies from me. So I would encourage you to get some sessions from me, and also I will be offering some free one free session online and a free session in person. And you can decide on your own if that works for you. Then you can have some over a few weeks or months, and then you do not have to continue if you are feeling well and better. So I would highly encourage you to try it out and see how it helps you. Reiki has many benefits, and the therapy that I have put together is a combination of Silva method and all the other methods that I have learned over the years, and I do refer to them. And I have created this combination of breathing and framing. You could only get the training in my self-healing and transformation therapy, and you do not have to get Reiki with those sessions. I have other formulas and tips and tools that can help you with anger management, anxiety, discomforts of any kind, physical, mental, emotional. And of course, I'm not a clinical psychologist. I do not prescribe any medications, but I do suggest some herbal and natural therapies that I am big on, and that's what I use in my life for myself, and I would highly suggest to others. So I wish you and hope that you have a good day, good health, and stay happy.